Hi, I'm Angie Joy, a project manager and designer here at 123 Remodeling. If you are looking to transform your kitchen, bathroom, or whole home into something truly special, you've come to the right place. At 123 Remodeling, we specialize in interior design build projects that will turn your vision into reality. Let me walk you through how we make that happen. We start by listening to you, your ideas and your needs. They're the foundation of every project we undertake. We then create a custom plan that brings your vision to life, considering both aesthetics and functionality. We don't charge for design revisions, and we will work with you until you're 100% satisfied with the look and feel. Once you're happy with the design, our skilled craftsmen get to work, turning plans into your perfect space. And of course, we're committed to using only the highest quality materials and craftsmanship. Throughout the process, we maintain rigorous quality checks to ensure that everything meets our high standards. We prioritize clear, consistent communication, keeping you informed and involved at every stage of the project. Finally, we present you with your newly transformed space, a perfect blend of your vision and our expertise. Ready to turn your vision into reality? Let's build your perfect home together. Contact us on the website or give us a call to start your project with 123 Remodeling.